The camera industry is abuzz with anticipation for Nikon's next releases. Enthusiasts and professionals alike are eager to see how Nikon will respond to competitive models from Canon, Fujifilm and Sony. Recent leaks and rumours suggest that Nikon's upcoming models, the Z80 and Z50 Mark II, could significantly impact the market by filling crucial gaps in Nikon's current lineup. Earlier, we were expecting the arrival of the Nikon Z50 Mark II in the next few months, before August 20th, 2024. However, new information has surfaced, turning the focus toward the highly anticipated Nikon Z80. This new source not only provided specifications for the Nikon Z7 II, but also shared details about the upcoming Z80, causing quite a stir among Nikon fans. The Nikon Z80 is poised to be a game changer in the mid-range segment. Priced between $1,250 and $1,500, it is designed to compete with the Canon R7, Fujifilm X-S20 and Sony a6700. This price range is essential for attracting serious hobbyists and semi-professional photographers who require high performance without the premium price tag of flagship models. The Z80 is expected to feature the same hybrid IBIS stabilization technology seen in the Nikon ZF and Nikon Z6 Mark III. This advanced stabilization will provide up to 8 stops of compensation, crucial for handheld shooting with long lenses. The Z80 will also boast the Xpeed 7 image processor with dual data stream technology, enhancing both speed and efficiency. Additionally, the video graphics core specification of this camera is hinted to set a new benchmark among aps-c users, catering to both photographers and videographers with 4K video at 60 FPS and 4K 120 FPS with minimal crop. The camera's sensor is expected to be between 26 to 33 megapixels, providing the necessary resolution for detailed wildlife and sports photography, while maintaining high image quality even when cropping. In terms of build and ergonomics, the Z80 aims to be lightweight, around 530 to 550 grams, ensuring comfort during extended use. It will feature a durable construction with weather sealing for challenging environments. The camera is also expected to have high burst rates of at least 15 FPS for action photography, advanced autofocus capabilities with low light performance, and subject detection for birds and insects. Additional features may include dual card slots, supporting SD and potentially CF Express for faster data transfer, and 10-bit internal recording for richer color grading in post-production. The Nikon Z50 Mark II, expected to be priced around $999 to $1,100, will serve as an entry-level option with advanced capabilities. It will compete directly with models like the Sony a6400 and Fujifilm X-T32. Appealing to enthusiasts looking to upgrade from smartphones or basic DSLRs. The Z50 Mark II is anticipated to feature a 21 megapixel sensor derived from the Z8 and Z9, offering a balance between resolution and performance, with potential for a stacked sensor design to enhance speed and reduce rolling shutter effects. Improved autofocus system with animal and bird detection, similar to higher-end models, and effective in-body stabilization will be key highlights. The Z50 Mark II will be compact and lightweight, ideal for travel and everyday photography, with a robust build and intuitive controls. It will support burst shooting at around 10 FPS, 4K video at 30 FPS, and Full HD at 120 FPS. Additional features may include a single SD card slot and a vari-angle touchscreen for versatile shooting angles. In conclusion, Nikon's upcoming releases, particularly the Z80 and Z50 Mark II, have the potential to significantly strengthen their market position. By addressing the needs of both mid-range and entry-level segments, Nikon can attract a broad audience of photographers and videographers. The key lies in balancing advanced features with affordability, ensuring that each model offers compelling value for its target users. As the camera industry continues to evolve, these speculated models could mark a pivotal moment for Nikon, driving innovation and competition forward. That's all about the Nikon Z80 and Z50 Mark II. Thanks for watching. If you liked our content, drop a like and comment below which one you are planning to buy.